Hello students, today we will learn how to do middle term factorization. So this is very important for class 8 CBSC and ICSC for all students. Now to solve this one, first we need to resolve this number, that is 12, into factors. So we can write 12 into 1, or you can write 6 into 2, and you can write 4 into 3. Now we have to try to add these two terms to get this 7, either addition or subtraction. So 12 plus 1, you get 13. From here 6 plus 2, you get 8. And look at this, 4 plus 3, you get 7. So you need this combination. So we can write 7 as a 4 plus 3. So multiply both and also write 12 as a 4 into 3. Now take common from first and second term, x plus 4, and take common 3, x plus 4. Again here there is two factors, x plus 4 is a common part. So take x plus 4 as a common and x plus 3. So that is your answer. Let's take another example. So here the 45 having a negative sign. So we need a factor of 45 like 9 into 5 or 15 into 3, such that their subtraction will be 12. So hope you understood where subtraction to be taken. This sign and this sign is always be same. Now do multiplication very carefully and take common from the first two terms. X is the common, so you get x plus 15, and minus 3 is the common from third and fourth term. In middle term factorization, these two terms always be same. So you get x plus 15 here as a common and x minus 3 as another factor. Now take another example here. So again there is a negative sign in front of 88. So we need the factors of 88 such that its subtraction of the factors should be 3. So I would take 11 minus 8, that is 3. So again you can see the sign of here and here both are same. Now multiply very carefully and take common a from the first and second term and minus 8 from the third and fourth term. You can see these two terms again become same. So take common a plus 11 into a minus 8. Now take this sums number 4. Here we can see the negative sign before the 51. So factorize 51 as 17 into 3. So subtract them. So we get 14. So replace 14 here as 17 minus 3. Look again. This sign and this sign are same. Now do multiplication very carefully and take common a from the first two terms and 3 common from third and fourth term. Again you can see these two terms are become same. Now look at the sums number 5. So what is the sign before 45 here? That is positive. So we need to resolve the factors like 15 into 3, or you can write 9 into 5 and add these factors to get 14. So replace 14 as a 9 plus 5. Do multiplication. Now take common x from the first and second term and take 5 common from third and fourth term. Now take common x plus 9. So another factor is x plus 5. Now take this example 6. So the sign of the 120 is positive. So obviously factorize 120 such that the sum of two factors becomes 22. So we can write 12 into 10. So 12 plus 10 is 22. So you can write 12 plus 10. Again look carefully. These two signs are same. Multiply this line very carefully. So take x as a common from first and second term and minus 10 common from third and fourth term. We already said this term and this term are similar. So take common x minus 12 into x minus 10. This is your answer. Now take example of sums number 7. Now factorize 42 such that the subtraction of two factors should be 11. So try to factorize 21 into 2 or 14 into 3 or 42 into 1. If you practice more, you can find this factor very easily. So we will take this combination. So now replace 11 with 14 minus 3. So you can easily see these two signs are same. So multiply very carefully here. Now take common x from first and second term and take 3 as a common from third and fourth term. So these two terms again becomes same. So x minus 14 is a common, another factor x plus 3. That is your answer. Let's try sums number 8. This sums is quite different. So we have to multiply first of these two numbers. A square 7a minus 10a minus 70 plus 40. So do the addition and subtraction. Now we need to middle term here. So factorize this term such that the subtraction of two numbers becomes 3. Do multiplication here very carefully. Now take common a from first and second term and take common 6 from third and fourth term. Here again a minus 9 and a minus 9 is a common term. So a plus 6 is the another term. That is your answer. Please subscribe the channel to get more videos.